Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. So I've came to a wind farm today to test out NEO and see what he's like, how he performs in the wind. So I've not just came to any wind farm, I've came to Whitelee's wind farm, which happens to be the biggest wind farm in the UK. And at this wind farm I had to find turbine number 1 for NEO because he is the one.
He is the one.
So I think we'll probably get going and I'll catch up there. So the wee man's behind me, following me. Had to stop, set him on high and far. I actually don't know how it's going. I think I lost him, he lost me a couple of wee times. But it's at times like this that you're actually happy with the noise because I can hear him. But I still keep checking back behind me. Don't think it's good at speed, but I'm going to try going fast here, see if I can keep up. What am I doing? 15 mile an hour, 16. I can hear him trying. $17. Can't hear it anymore. I can. I think he's catching up. Aye, there he is. So I would say, I mean, I've came to a wind farm. It's quite windy, I think. Not overly windy. But, see. Okay, so I think I had about 20 mile an hour there and he's lost me. He's up here. Oh, found me again. So I don't really know how long I got out of that battery there. I went back to do a circle and it said it couldn't do it because the battery was flat. Not enough power. To be fair, it's very windy here and I have been kind of, I just let it follow me for ages. So I've got the wee battery bank in my bag and it's charging right now as we speak. So that's good, I'll just go on with the cycle. Right, I think I'm still recording. I am, I can see it. This wee drone, it's just got it in charge now in the wee anchor. I've only got one battery for it, so I'm currently at 3 bars. It's relatively quick to charge. I've been doing it for the mains about 40 minutes, so I think this seems to be charging it quite well anyway. The wee thing was getting blown about everywhere. There's been things it's not done great today. It's not great in the wind, but I'd be interested to see the footage, because when I was looking at it on my phone, it looked as smooth as anything, but wee drones kind of hate this, and wind warnings coming up and everything on the phone, but yeah, I'm looking at the footage and it's so smooth, so, and obviously it's all kind of lost me a couple of times when I've been going around as well. Doesn't like 20 mile an hour, can't keep up. So I'm gonna get one last wee kind of whirl run there. I'm at the MTB, the mountain bike trails at Whitelee. I'm not up too much, but they're alright. So I'll jump into the cafe up there. I'm gonna get a coffee for the way home, but first I'll go do the trails. So let's go do that. Yeah, it's actually brutal trying to find your way out of there. Anyway, still on the bike, going to get back to the car, jump in, get a coffee, and so still liking the wee drone, still like it. I still think it's, the bottom line is great value for money. Don't be looking at it as a replacement for your drone, or I wouldn't even call it a good first time drone, because yeah, I call it probably a novelty drone. That is really good. And right now I don't know how that footage turned out, because I've not edited it together yet, but hopefully it worked out good. It looked good on my phone anyway when I was doing it, so always does, doesn't it? Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. All the usual stuff, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, bye.